In today's video, I will show you how to change phone number in Tinder. Keeping your login credentials up to date is super important, especially since Tinder handles over 1 billion swipes every single day and uses your phone number as your main security anchor. If you get a new digits bundle, updating it directly inside your account settings is the best way to prevent yourself from getting locked out down the road. To update it, open the Tinder app or visit tinder.com. Tap the profile icon on the bottom of the screen. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right to open up your main configuration menu. From there, scroll down under Account Settings and click on the Phone Number section. Next, click Update My Phone Number. Enter your new phone number and follow the easy on-screen steps to complete the SMS verification code they text you. A great thing about doing it this way is that it completely protects your hard-earned profile data, meaning updating your number keeps your matches, messages, and active premium subscriptions entirely intact without forcing you to start from scratch. And that's it. That's how to change phone number in Tinder.